What's up, YouTube? I had a cooking general here, getting y'all something that I usually, you know what I'm saying, that I learned a long time ago. Especially when you're doing cooking and if you like really cooking and how you can, come up with your own ideas, because a lot of people can tell you what to cook this, cook that, and you can probably learn how to cook a lot of things, but you can only get by so much when you cook what you normally cook. You got to come up with ideas, something different. You don't want to copy nobody. You want to be original and have your own ideas. And I'm out here, now at the camp house, and you see I grow, we call them bird eye peppers. I know y'all probably got another name for them. These some hot suckers here. But I'm gonna show you how you could either take a recipe that you already know, or you could just come with your own idea. And see, usually I just come up with my own ideas because I was able to do it, but a lot of recipes, say that I already knew. So I put them on my channel already, the Cooking General channel. When y'all go over there, y'all can see that. But a bunch of them too is what I made. And I got a whole catalog. I mean, people like you run ideas. I would never run out of ideas how to cook. And I'm gonna show you how to think, just think different. How to come up with your own ideas just from a simple thing. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take the last video I did was my stuffed biscuits. If y'all watch that on the Cooking General channel, and y'all will see what I'm finna do next. Just the idea just blew up, and I'm like coming up with it, and I didn't want to make a video on it yet because I'm still working on it. And let's go there. Let's do that. Let's see what we can learn today. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Yo, man, check this out here, man. I done a video the other day. If y'all watch on the Cooking General channel, and what I'm saying, I was, I'm steady making recipes and stuff. And it came to me when I had the dough and stuff like that. My grandmother gave me the recipe a long time ago. And I was like, can you fry like pizza chips? You know what I'm saying? And the idea came when she said, we used to do them, but she didn't ever show me how to do them. But she said, no, I didn't have nothing. I had everything in my dough, and then I fried them. So now I'm cutting them, as you can see, I'm cutting them into pieces. And I got the cheese and everything in it, and I'm going to fry it. I'm going to see how it's going to come out. We don't know, I'm a cooking general, I'm always experimenting. And I just, catch on little things, I go back and read some of the stuff that she wrote down in her books and stuff, and remember the things she told me, and I'm gonna try this out. Might be a pretty good idea. I'll let you know how it come out on a future video, or I might be shooting one on the Cooking General channel. Alright, I'm filming live here from the camp house. There we go. I got those there. They like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's what you would really call pizza chips. Gives me an idea. Let me give you an idea. I bet they're gonna be crispy and crunchy. I add a little salt to them too. The chips got a little light salt to them. Let's see how they come out. All right, as you can see, I had the cheese in there. I went with cheddar. I might go with mozzarella next time. Got the piece of sauce you dip them in. I fried them. They came out. They crispy. They light. And I added, you dip in your sauce, piece of sauce. Pretty good. I can work on a few things on it, but that's basically what I am. You know what I'm saying? I take an old recipe, new recipe, I look at it, I analyze it, I figure it out, and see what can I do to improve on this stuff. So cooking is, it's like a work of art. You got to keep on. I mean, you're not gonna get it right 100% of the time the first time. I used to work in R&D, so I know research and development is hell. I mean, you come out with an idea, it sounds good on paper, you make it, people might like it, people might not. But just keep on trying. And check my channel out, The Cooking General. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to The Cooking General. Now, it's another thing you have to know too, another technique you got to know. You got to know when to cook, the right temperatures, and everything when it comes to cooking. Now, you got to realize I'm a general, I ain't no chef now, so, you know what I'm saying? Somebody else will tell you something else, but I'm telling you what I know that works for me. Now, it's called flash cooking. Now, you do this on certain meats. Now, I mostly do it on my ribs. A lot of people say they don't like fried ribs because they get so tough. Now, when you flash cook them, you cook them fast, but not too fast while it's raw on the inside, and not too slow when they get hard and then they be dry. You want them juicy. And I'm gonna show y'all that on an upcoming video. But for now, I'm gonna show you how they look. And just take a look at them. And then just wait till I come out with the video and you'll see. I gotta do something with these grapevines. Cook in general. Ask somebody. Whoa. There we go. Look at that, man. Yeah, look at that. Baked beans right there. Boy, I'm talking about this still recipe here. I'm gonna give you the recipe of this baked bean. Now, this is a different one than most people use right here. Now, I know people don't eat fried ribs because they say they come out tough, but I'm gonna show you how to make fried ribs while they tender and they're juicy. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And I also made some homemade potato salad. Boy, hey, it's coming. Cook in general. Ask somebody.